For 20 years, you have made the SOLIDWORKS the gold standard for CAD on the desktop. There are over 6 million of you worldwide, and we know that many of the world's most innovative products and designers got their start in SOLIDWORKS. And we listen to you. SOLIDWORKS 2022 continues a tradition of continual improvement. New design tools, improved user experience, and the productivity enhancements that will help get your work done better and faster. And we continue to innovate for a future with the flexibility at our core, because if last year has taught us anything, it's that life is unpredictable.
When disruptions happen, how do you keep your teams productive when all your tools, data, and people are tied to the desktop? By connecting to the cloud, tools in the 3D Experience Works portfolio empower all of your valuable contributors to stay connected and contributing from anywhere and on any device.
Today, with the cloud tools on the 3D Experience platform, I can do what I need to do to keep progress moving, regardless of where I am or what I'm doing.
What exactly are you doing and who are you talking to, Gianpaolo?
Our users, Coach, they want to know about all the new versions of the exciting tools we're about to launch.
Launch? If you don't get your head in the game, you're about to get a ball launched at your head.
Relax, Coach. I've been working on my drop shot. I know. It was them. They're trying to sabotage our work. Who? The squirrel, of course. They know we are close to a viable solution.
Product development in a cloud-based platform means progress is never sidelined by the unexpected.
I knew it! Hey guys, I'm joining remotely today. Let's pick up where we left off last time. Things are getting worse. I am very concerned about the strength of the primary structure. How can we fortify it?
Don't let life's unpredictability affect your business. Assure your resiliency to overcome any hurdles.
Easy for you to say. Those squirrels are very clever.
With the ability to access and see your data, tools, and apps in one safe place, you can keep working no matter what life throws your way.
We built these 3D Experience Works tools specifically for you, the SOLIDWORKS user. So you can now do so much more than on the desktop alone. Because after all, our users are at the heart of everything we do. Guys, the situation is getting worse by the minute. I see you ran the advanced simulation as I requested.
Yes, GP, and fortified the structure as suggested. I believe it's foolproof.
Excellent, but where are the lasers? Have you seen how these beasts have evolved during quarantine? They are highly advanced, basically super predators. Guys, how long would this take to machine this out of titanium?
We're still talking squirrels, right?
Oh, I have it. We'll need to add fluid simulation.
Are you suggesting what I think you're suggesting?
Yes, we must add a moat. You hear me? We are building a moat.
Just like life, product development is something that must be able to weather the unexpected. Be prepared with 3D Experience Works.